Hi, this is Aaron from AaronOnAutos.com. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily check your lighting on your car, your turn signals, brakes, etc. You do that, all you need is a fairly reflective surface, a wall or something you can back up to and pull up to. In a parking garage works really well. Any place like that that has lower lighting, you want low lighting for this so you can see those reflections. We're going to quickly check the headlights, brights, turn signals, tail lamps, so your brake lamps, turn signals, and hazard lights, all the way around the car. And you can do it without having to get out of the car. It's really easy. Here's how it works.
For this check, you want to be parked evenly. You want to be as square as possible to the wall. We're facing the wall, checking the headlights, and then the brights. Next, quickly check the front turn signals, both directions. You can use the side mirrors or the rear view mirror or the backup camera after you've turned around and backed up to the wall to check your brakes, your turn signals, and your hazard lamps.
This episode brought to you by coffee.